One, categorize recommendations for strategy. Categorize recommendations for strategy. You categorize recommendations for strategy. Because not all recommendations should be treated equally. We may have, for example, one, the quick wins. These are simple recommendations that can be done immediately. And that's what you begin with so that you can build momentum. An example is updating a policy document. That does not need time. That can be done in a day. Then we have those recommendations that need systemic fixes. Systemic fixes. These are long-term projects requiring budgets, requiring IT involvement, requiring involvement of different departments. These are recommendations that cannot be fixed in a day. This may take time. Then there is behavioral recommendations that may require behavioral shifts. Changing culture, for example, organizational culture requires time, right? They need to train the employees on ethics, for example. That may require some time, and it requires consistent reinforcement over a long period of time. So the first thing to do when it comes to implementation strategies is to categorize these strategies, and these are some of the categories.